1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS two-door hardtop. Yes, true SS car, 138 VIN. 454 underneath the hood, casting number 1401545. That is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper. Take a look at the condition of the chrome. Grill, headlight surrounds. Yes, you see 396 there. No, it is a 454 underneath the hood. And we'll pop the hood here at the end. Let's check out the engine bay. Start it up so you can hear it run. But first, if you want to take a look at the still picture, so you can see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, it's riding on the Rev 5-spoke wheels. BF Goodrich radials. As far as the color, it's kind of a gray-green smoke color. Very interesting color. Looks good on this car with the black vinyl top, black interior bucket seats, center console. Shift down on the floor and you can see the vinyl roof. Very nice condition. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Few imperfections on the paint, but just a couple spots. I noticed right here you can kind of see, I don't know if I can get it to show up in the video or the pictures, but there's a little spot where it's just kind of a little etch in the clear. Actually really tough to see it unless you're just the right angle. And take your time looking through the still pictures. Every angle of this car, probably close to 100 pictures online. uniqueclassiccars.com. Another little spot that I noticed where it's just kind of, it's almost like the clear is a little scuff just right there. Other than that, it's up and down the driver's side. Really pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, dents, anything like that. Black vinyl interior. Nice condition, as you can see, the rear seat. Move these seat belts a second so you can check that out a little closer. Not much wear or anything on the front bucket seats. Tilt column Grant steering wheel. Does have a stock radio in it. I did have the radio working. Little aftermarket set of gauges underneath the dash. Headliner's good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's hear that 454. Remember, that is paired to the Tremec 5-speed. It's a little cold-blooded, so we're going to let her warm up here just a bit. There's that aftermarket gauge cluster. AM radio. It's like a stock radio. That does work. Had that working. Aftermarket tack. Also working. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Door closes and fits nicely. A little rumble coming out of that V8. Let me slip up to the front so we can check out this engine bay. See what all is under there. Let me pause this a second, get the hood open, we'll check it out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Underside of the hood, painted to match. There we go, aluminum radiator and shroud. Again, 454, power steering, power brakes, AC. Edelbrock carb, MSD, electronic ignition, performer RPM, Edelbrock intake. There it is. Good looking engine bay. A true 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 138 VIN car, two-door hardtop, kind of a gray-green smoke color. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.